Joint pain causes discomfort and pain. It can occur with or without muscle movement and can even be severe enough to limit movement. People have also described joint pain as discomfort, inflammation, a burning sensation, or stiffness. This drink has been used as a natural therapy to help with different types of pain. Today we're going to show you how to make this drink and benefit from its amazing powers. It'll help you with your arthritis symptoms, get rid of your knee and joint pain, and even help with your fibromyalgia. The drink we've been talking about calls for an herb called Canela de Velho, which literally translated is cinnamon of old, which is very common in the Brazilian Northeast. Its scientific name is Miconia albicans, and it has been studied extensively due to medicinal and healing properties, due to its high analgesic, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial power. Because of its compounds, it can help a lot with tendinitis, bursitis, torticollis, herniated discs, general inflammation, and more. Do you have any of these problems? Are you liking this video? Do you find the topic to be interesting? If so, then like, subscribe, and share with all of your friends who might be dealing with some of these same issues. In order to treat these health problems, just drink some Canela de Velho tea. Here's what you'll need: 1 liter of water, 15 Canela de Velho leaves. And here's what you do. Put the water on to boil. Once it begins to boil, add the leaves, let it boil for another 30 seconds. Turn off the heat, cover the pan, and let it steep. After that, drink 2 cups a day, 1 before lunch and another before dinner. What leftover tea you don't drink, you can rub on the affected area. Some people say that you can drink up to 3 cups a day. In order to see results, drink this tea daily for 30 days. Every person will react differently to this treatment. Some people, depending on the stage of their disease, will see good results in a short time, about 1 week, but they will only last if you stick to the treatment. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.